Hi, I'm Wanda.
And I'm Dominique from my local garden. Maybe this will go viral.
These are the materials you need to get started. Spawn from Field and Forest Products. The spawn is 2 varieties, 2 strains of the inoculant. 2 buckets, 2 brushes, 2 plungers, 2 drills with specific drill bits that are 7/16 inch with a little flag on them so you know how deep to drill them. You drill as deep as the plunger goes. Food grade wax and a way to melt the wax, and oak logs freshly cut. For this size log, we are going to drill about 25 to 30 holes, and we space them out so that the entire log is covered, and in these holes we put in the inoculant. So as you can see, this beautiful mycelium is growing. And you chop this up so that you're getting a lot of the mycelium into the plunger when you're putting it in the log. Using this deep fryer, little Fry Daddy contraption to melt our food grade wax. So here's the wax, and then we will be sealing the log with this wax. We're done with these 3 logs. Next step, water them, put them in the shade, and harvest for years to come. We chose a shady spot to place the logs. We water them after we inoculate them, and then we keep them moist for the coming months. And then in a year to 18 months, we start harvesting, and then we get harvests every year for about 5 years. We'll start harvesting in about, along with the sprayer just decided to break on me.
Don't forget to wear your eye protection.